Hello, everyone, and welcome to class. My name is Dr. Ross. I'll be your professor for this class, Business 1360. We're in the summertime schedule, so it's going to be a fast-paced 4 weeks that we've got, but we can do it. We're in it together. First thing you need to do is log into eLearn and go to our course, Business 1360. Once you get here, you'll notice this is the home page. You'll notice a welcome video on the first section. I'll add this video too to that section. Then you've got another welcome section and gives you some points of interest about the course. This course will be using Cengage, MindTap, or SAM projects to work with. They're very interactive. They grade it immediately. Let me know if you have any problems with them, but they're I think, very intuitive to work with. Also, too, you've got to submit your homework. Missing 20% of your homework will result in failure of this class. Also, you've got to have access to Microsoft Office. If you don't have that, you can download that for free at Walter State. Just let me know if you need to do that. Also, too, Chromebooks do not work with the software that we're going to be using for this course. So that you can use a Mac, but there's problems at times with the Mac that you got to be aware of. If you need to check out a computer for free from the library, you can do that for the whole entire session of this course. So if you scroll on down, you'll see that you've got our assignment sheet. I'm going to download the assignment sheet for this class. And to me, this is the crux of the class. It tells you everything that's due, when it's due, and you can mark it off as you go. As you look at it, you'll notice that we're going to be very fast-paced. First thing you need to do is do an online orientation. I'll look for that. I'll show you where that is when we get into content. But then each sections we're going to do 3 chapters of Word, 3 chapters of Excel, and then 3 chapters of PowerPoint. Good news is there's not a comprehensive final for this class. When you finish your last module of PowerPoint, you're done. Also, you can work ahead if you want to on this class. I don't hold you back on time. So that's the first section. I want to go back now, and then let's go back to the top here. If you've not worked with eLearn before, you've got your main tab pages here, the course home and the course information. Under course information, you've got content. That's where you're going to find your work for the class. Now, you notice I would tell you, if you read through that first page, the Getting Started section, you're going to click that area right there, and that brings you up the syllabus. You'll have a copy of that, the assignment sheet. As you work your way on through this, it's going to tell you about the textbooks. You don't have to purchase a textbook for this course because you are provided an electronic book in Cengage, but if you want to purchase one, you can. I don't make you not to, but I also don't make you to do it. The last thing you have to do to complete your orientation is send me an email stating that, hey, there's some questions on there I need you to answer, and they're very simple, but you'll work with it that way. Also, then the next thing you need to do, this MindTap ebook section, go ahead, watch me. Also, too, this link to MindTap, Software Business for Apps, Business 1360 W91 for summer 2024. That's how I access everything. You can go into Word and eLearn, but that will take you out to Cengage. And you don't have to have an access code if you've logged into eLearn. If you paid for your tuition, which you can if you've logged in, then you have access to these. Over here, you've got the operating systems that we'll look at. You just click on each module, and there's an intro section there that you can watch on how to use this. But your first thing is always going to be to read the chapter, then work with the training, and then there's an exam here at the end of the one. As I mentioned, Word has 3 different modules on it. You can just click those. Notice they tell you when they are due and everything like that. That will automatically be graded, and that will translate over to eLearn also. So that is under content, your course information. Also, you can look at your calendar there as well as your grades. Communication, email me through this class is the best way to get me. If you want me to call you, I'm happy to call you because I know, again, we're working on a 4-week session. I'll be happy to call you and solve any questions that you have that you work with also. Also, course tools, I've got some different areas on my because I am the faculty member, but notice that you've got the library under resources. So that's just a quick little run around of what's going to happen with the course. Again, print out the assignment sheet, mark it over, get into the MindTap, SAM projects, work with them till you feel comfortable. And then just let me know how I can help you. And remember, we're in this together.